How to refund a game on EA. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be teaching you how you can refund a game on EA. To refund a game on EA is not difficult at all. Just watch this video to the end. The first step is to create an EA account and then launch the app on your PC. Once you've launched the app, you'll see all of your games here. This is how the home interface looks like. And then once you can see this, the next step is to navigate through to where the order history can be found. And to find the order history, just move to the top left corner of the screen and then click on three horizontal dashes. Once you've clicked on it, in the box displayed, click on settings. Now after clicking on settings, it will take you to the settings page where you can see a menu displaying options or tabs such as my account, application, download, my playtime, family playtime. And then once you can see this, just go ahead and click on the manage option under privacy. All right. So once you click on it, you'll be directed to then the settings page on Chrome. That settings page on Chrome. Now once you're on this page, you'll see some options also by the left side of the screen, which include about me, security, privacy settings, email preferences, then order history. So just go ahead and click on it that way. Now once you've clicked on it, you would see the list of orders you've made. All right, and then once you've seen the list of orders that you've made, the next step is to check out the orders that is eligible for return. This is because not all orders are eligible for return. All right, so check the status, and then once you check the status and you see that it is eligible, next step is to select the request a refund link next to any of the orders you've made. All right. Once you've selected the request a refund link, a refund request form will be displayed on the middle of the screen right here, and then go ahead, complete the request a refund form and then submit it. And then after submitting it, you would have to wait for a while for it to be reviewed, and once that's been reviewed and approved, your money will be refunded to your account. It is that simple. So this is how you can refund a game on EA. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.